Hi, thanks for joining. Good evening, thanks for joining. We will wait for some more minutes and then we'll start the show. Hi, thanks for joining. Good evening, thanks for joining. Okay, I think we have an audience. We'll get on with the show.
Namaskaram. Welcome to Shoes Eternity Sunday Live. So today we have a beautiful variety of sarees to be showcased. We will start with our Pochampally silk cotton and then we will move on to our pure silk cotton sarees, and we've also got beautiful Kanchi silk cotton sarees, and we will move on to Kanchi soft silk and then Kanjivaram silks in today's video. So it's going to be a lot of variety in today's session. The price range is going to be between 3,000 and it goes up to 9,000. People who would like to buy these sarees, there will be a link that will be posted in the comment section. Once the live session is over, you can click on the link to look at all these sarees and go ahead with your purchase. People who would like to get stitching and embroidery done, we do it for prepaid orders. So please go ahead with your order, fill in the Google form. If at all you have any queries, you can always get in touch with us in our WhatsApp number. So let's get on to the show. So what I am wearing today is a beautiful Baluchari silk saree. It's a very pretty maroon with blue combination. The whole of the body has beautiful bridal dancing doll butta, fully jari woven, and it's got a Bharat themed border on either side. And the whole body has Meena work, which means it has both jari and thread in it. And it's got a beautiful jari pallu, a very traditional jari pallu with Baluchari work in it. So that's going to be the pallu. Beautiful wedding theme in pallu. And it comes with a plain running blouse. So I have matched it with a contrast blue color hand embroidered blouse. So the cost of the blouse is 6,200. So this has also got a Bharat theme in it. So the price of the sari is
7950, 7,950.
So with that, let's get on to the show.
Yeah, we'll start with saree number 1. Price at 3,480. 3480, saree number 1.
So this is a black with pink combination. The whole body has Pochampally woven patterns, multicolor floral patterns all over the body, and comes with pink color jari border on either side of the sari. Beautiful woven pink pallu and a plain pink color blouse.
So saree number 1, price at 3,480. 3480, saree number 1. Moving on to saree number 2, price at 3,680. 3,680, saree number 2.
This is a lime yellow, green and blue combination. So this sari has a slightly bigger border with jari woven patterns inside the borders, and the whole body has very pretty woven patterns. And that's going to be the pallu. It's got a nice blue color woven pallu and a plain blue color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 2, priced at 3,680. Moving on to saree number 3, priced at 3,680.
Next we have a orange with red combination. Beautiful woven borders and woven sari all over the body. Beautifully designed patterns. And a very pretty red color woven pallu, Pochampally designed pallu, and a plain red color blouse.
This is saree number 3, priced at 3,680. 3,680. Up next is saree number 4, priced at 3,680.
This is a metallic blue with red combination. Woven jari borders. Beautifully woven patterns in the whole of the body. And that's going to be the pallu, a red color woven pallu and a plain red color blouse.
Saree number 4, priced at 3,680. Moving on to saree number 5. Price at 3,480. 3,480 saree number 5.
With this, we will start our pure silk cotton saree. Pure silk cotton collection. So with this, we'll start with our pure silk cotton collection. This is a nice blue with pink combination. It looks just like your soft silk sarees. It's got a beautiful flow, very lightweight, very easy to carry sarees. Pure handloom silk cotton sarees. The whole body has nice jerry woven buttas in both gold and silver. It has a gold color border on either sides. A beautifully woven pink pallu, jerry woven pallu, and a plain pink color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 5. Price at 3,480. 3,480.
Next, we have double colored body.
Saree number 6. Price at 3,680.
This is
3,680.
going to be a purple with grey combination. Beautiful gold jerry border on either sides of the saree, and the whole of the body has nice floral jerry woven buttas. Very pretty woven buttas all over, and it's got a very rich pallu in grey, fully jerry woven pallu in grey, and a plain grey color blouse.
Yeah, saree number 6. Price at 3,680.
Next, we have a blue with maroon combination. Beautiful gold jerry border on either sides of the saree.
Saree number 7. Price at 3,680.
The whole of the body has nice jerry woven floral patterns, and it's got a very richly woven maroon pallu, fully jerry woven, and a plain maroon color blouse.
Yes, saree number 7. Price at 3,680. Moving on to saree number 8. Price at 3,980. 3,980.
Very pretty cream with black combination. It's a plain body, but huge mandala buttas in the borders. The upper portion of the saree has a thin strip of gold border. The lower half has beautiful black color border along with mandala buttas with peacocks in it. And it's got a very beautiful pallu in black, jerry woven pallu, and a plain black color blouse.
Saree number 8. Price at 3,980. 3,980. Saree number 8.
Same design with a different color combination. This is a green with pink.
Saree number 9. Price at 3,980. 3,980.
Beautiful thin strip of gold jerry border in the upper portion, and that's going to be the border. A darker pink border in the lower half along with huge peacock mandala buttas. A peacock jerry woven pallu in pink, and a dark pink color blouse.
Saree number 9. Price at 3,980.
So for those of you who do not want any jerry, this saree is for you. This is a fully thread woven silk cotton saree.
Saree number 10. Price at 4,290. 4,290.
It's a beautiful woven border on either sides with peacocks in it, with green and black color borders all over, and the whole of the body has tiny thread woven buttas, and this comes with a jerry pallu in black and a plain black color blouse. Very elegant saree, beautiful color combination.
Saree number 10. Price at 4,290.
I have two more colors in the same design. Next is going to be a nice mustard with black combination. Beautiful thread woven borders with peacocks. The whole body has nice thread woven buttas all over. The beautiful pallu in black, fully jerry woven, and a plain black color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 11. Price at 4,290. Moving on to saree number 12. Price at 4,290. 4,290. Saree number 12.
This is a light peach with black combination. Very pretty saree, beautiful color combinations. Fully thread woven buttas all over. Beautiful borders on either sides of the saree. And that's going to be the pallu, jerry pallu in black and a plain black color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 12. Price at 4,290.
Next, we are moving on to Kanchi silk cottons. Very traditional Kanchi silk cottons. Beautiful woven borders on either side of the saree. It's got a retapet border, and the whole of the body has nice checkered pattern with peacocks in it. This is a beautiful copper sulphate blue. Comes with an extremely rich woven pallu in thread and a plain blue color blouse.
Yeah, this is saree number 13. Priced at 4,990. 4,990. Moving on to saree number 14. Priced at 4,990. 4,990. Saree number 14.
This is a beautiful purple retapet border again. The whole of the body has nice checkered pattern with peacock, chakra and diamond buttas. That's going to be the whole body. Very pretty color. The beautiful pallu, fully woven pallu and a plain purple color blouse.
Saree number 14. Priced at 4,990. 4,990. Saree number 14.
Next we have a deep MS blue.
Saree
Very
number
pretty
15.
saree.
Saree number 15. Priced at 4,990.
Again a very traditional retapet border, and the whole body has checkered pattern with box and round floral buttas, and that's going to be the pallu, a beautiful jari pallu and a plain blue color blouse. The borders have peacock blue and the whole of the body is nice MS blue.
Saree number 15. Priced at 4,990.
Very rich saree.
Moving on to saree number 16. Priced at 4,990.
Next we have a peachish pink with a dark pink combination. Beautiful Nelly pattern, fully thread woven all over the body as you can see. Very pretty color, very subtle woven pallu and a striped pink color blouse.
Saree number 16. Priced at 4,990. Up next is saree number 17. Priced at 4,990. 4,990.
Beautiful maroon with a green combination. The whole body has very pretty thread woven patterns as you can see, and retapet borders with rudraksham buttas in it, and a beautiful pallu in maroon, fully thread woven and a plain maroon color blouse. By the way, all these are handloom, hand woven sarees.
Yeah, this is saree number 17. Priced at 4,990.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll start off with our soft silk collection for this session. Starting with saree number 18. Priced at 8,280. 8,280.
This is a very pretty bottle green with purple combination. The whole body has jari woven floral buttas. Very pretty woven borders on either sides of the saree, as you can see. The lower half of the saree has nice mandala buttas along with woven borders. A beautiful pallu in purple, fully jari woven and a plain purple color blouse. Extremely rich saree at very affordable rates.
Saree number 18. Priced at 8,280. Saree number 19. Priced at 8,280. 8,280. Saree number 19.
Beautiful grey with purple combination. Very pretty woven borders on either side, and the whole body has nice floral jari woven buttas. Very pretty woven borders on either sides, and a beautiful purple color jari pallu, very richly woven, and a plain purple color blouse. Very elegant color.
Saree number 19. Priced at 8,280. Next is saree number 20. Priced at 8,280. 8,280.
We saw a green earlier. We have another color in the same design. This is going to be a dark blue with purple. Beautiful jari woven patterns all over the body. Mandala buttas in the lower half. Very pretty woven pallu in purple. And a plain purple color blouse.
Saree number 20. Priced at 8,280. 8,280. Up next is saree number 21. Priced at 8,280.
This is a nice orange with pink combination. Again, full silver jari woven buttas all over the body. Pink color borders on either sides with floral designs. Very rich saree, all over designs That's going to be the pallu, a huge leaf butta in pallu and a plain pink color blouse.
Saree number 21, priced at 8,280.
This is a beautiful blue with pink combination.
Saree number 22, priced at 7,980.
Extremely rich and beautiful saree. The whole body has Manga Jari woven buttas all over. A thin strip of gold jari border on either sides. Beautiful woven pallu in pink and a plain pink color blouse.
Saree number 22, priced at 7,980.
Next we have a Pochampally designed saree.
Saree number 23, priced at 7,380. 7380.
Beautiful light pink, baby pink with Rama green combination. The upper portion of the saree has a plain Rama green with gold jari. Full woven patterns all over the body. The lower half of the saree has a Rama green border along with jari woven buttas. And that's going to be the pallu, a beautiful pallu in Rama green and a plain Rama green color blouse. Very pretty design. Quite small Pochampally designs all over.
Saree number 23, priced at 7,380. Moving on to saree number 24, priced at 7,380. 7380, saree number 24.
Beautiful Mambar yellow with an orangish pink combination. Extremely rich saree. The whole body has huge Pochampally designs in it. The lower half of the saree has beautiful woven buttas in the border. Very pretty jari pallu and a plain orangish pink color blouse. Beautiful saree.
Saree number 24, priced at 7,380.
Moving on to our Kanjivaram collection.
Starting with saree number 25, priced at 7,980. 7980, saree number 25.
This is going to be a very pretty navy blue with light peach color combination. The whole body has silver jari woven buttas. And the lower half of the saree has nice copper jari as well with peacock and temple buttas. A beautiful peach color jari woven pallu with manga buttas and a plain peach color blouse. Very different color combination, very unique.
Saree number 25, priced at 7,980.
Next
Saree
we
number
have
26, priced at
a
7,980.
black with purple, an iron butta concept. Beautiful tiny floral jari woven buttas all over the body. Floral borders on either sides of the saree. Very traditional woven borders on either sides. A beautiful pallu in purple. Very intricately woven purple pallu and a plain purple color blouse.
Saree number 26, priced at 7,980. Moving on to saree number 27, priced at 7,980.
This is a red with pink combination. Whole body has nice jari woven floral buttas. Very pretty woven borders on either sides with peacocks in the lower half. A beautiful pink paisley designed pallu and a plain pink color blouse.
Saree number 27, priced at 7,980.
Next we have a purple,
Saree number 28, priced at 7,980.
a light magenta purple with a double shaded mustardy pink iron butta concept all over the body. Beautifully woven floral borders on either sides of the saree. Very pretty jari woven pallu, very richly woven and a double shaded pinkish mustard color blouse.
Saree number 28, priced at 7,980. Up next is saree number 29, priced at 7,980.
A leaf green with pink combination. Beautiful iron butta style. All over the body you have gold and silver jari woven floral buttas. The borders of the saree have nice unique peacocks in it. Beautiful jari woven pink colored pallu. Very intricately woven jari pallu and a plain pink color blouse.
Saree number 29, priced at 7,980. Moving on to saree number 30, priced at 7,980. 7,980, saree number 30.
An orangish pink with pink combination. The whole of the body has nice striped design with jari woven buttas. Very intricately woven borders on either sides with peacocks in it. Beautiful pink jari pallu. And a plain pink color blouse.
Sari number 30, priced at 7,980.
We have the last sari, the deal of the day.
Deal of the day sari. Actual price is 10,950. The deal price is 8,950. 8,950.
This is a pure handloom tassa silk sari, fully woven sari. It's a beautiful tomato colored sari with black combination. The upper portion of the sari has a thin strip of gold jari border. The lower half of the sari has nice temple jari woven pattern with both gold and silver. The whole body has nice jari woven buttas, and it's got a very rich jari pallu and a plain running blouse. Very pretty sari.
Sari number 31, priced at 8,950. 8,950.
So that is it for today's session. Thank you so much for joining. People who would like to buy these sarees, the link is active. The link will be posted in the comment section. Please click on the link to look at all these sarees. People who would like to get stitching and embroidery done, we do it only for prepaid orders. So please go on with your order. Fill in your measurements. If at all you have any queries, you can always ping us in our WhatsApp number. You can also log on to www.shrewseternity.com, under which you'll find a tab called Live Sarees. Under Live Sarees, there will be another tab called Sunday Live. Click on the tab to look at all these sarees. Thank you so much for joining. We will catch you with our next live session on Wednesday. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and happy shopping. Bye-bye.